personal.
Open it up, buddy.
Am I gonna cry?
Oh, you just might. You just might.
No way.
What's going on, everybody? Right now we're standing in front of Tribute, and this Hypebeast mystery box video is very special, right?
Super special.
We got this friend, man, super selfless, just always willing to help out.
Busy, hands full, but still makes the time to come and help us whatever we need.
Yeah,
especially the grand opening.
Yeah, we just had the grand opening, didn't ask for a dime. So with that being said, man, this one means a lot to me, means a lot to Tan.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna be putting together a $10,000 Hypebeast mystery
The
box.
most we've ever done. Big boy Johnny, this mystery box is for you, man.
Yes, sir. We're gonna go in there, put it together. I can't wait to see the look on his eyes when we present it to him.
Let's get it, man.
Let's get in
started.
there. Woo! $10,000. Oh
money.
man, he's coming very soon, so we don't have that much time.
I say we start with the heat section, Rich.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. I'll pick one, you pick one. I already know what I think he wants.
He brought these up during the grand opening. I know what I'm gonna pick. What are you gonna do?
Man, I've been rocking him a lot lately. I see him eyeing him. I know he ain't a hype beast, but I feel like he is.
Perfect shoe to rock right now. I've been rocking these like crazy, definitely just super neutral. They kind of went down, up in price, all over the place. But these are, I mean, you
I
just
say it's
can't
the
go
best
wrong.
kind of buy.
I know he likes the shattered backboards. If you guys like shattered backboard ones, you're definitely gonna like these 5s right here, and they are super affordable.
Yeah.
Used for $170, and you cannot beat that right there.
Same color blocking. I love how they switch up the details on them. You don't get the traditional 5 look.
It is fall right now, so you cannot go wrong with a pair of sneakers like this. Let's add these in right here. You guys remember these from my regrets video right here? If you guys notice, half of the 8.5 wall right here is pretty much my collection. But yeah, these were in my regrets video, not because they're not a dope shoe, just not my style, you know? So these are going out for $220, not too bad. Size 8, we got the Solomons. At one point, these were sitting on StockX for like $400, $450. We're throwing them out for a deal. But yeah, these are gonna make some hipster out there very happy. Recently, we did this fitness video. We're talking about the whole like basketball team and Johnny feeling left out. I know a lot of people were commenting about it. So with that being said, man, I think, Tan, can we offer the man on the spot with the new Kobe's?
Are you saying we're gonna put him in the roster at the same time gift them with some Kobe's?
Would that not, like, this is our whole thank you video, you know?
He better feel good after this video.
You're gonna go ham and
He's been asking to be on the team for a while.
All right, man, so we're gonna give him a spot on the
do it.
roster, give him a pair of Kobe's. It's only right. When I found these, man, I knew we had something good.
Man, we might have to get your boy Johnny some new wave runners. The last time y'all saw them, they were super, super busted, so I think we gotta throw these in the bag, man.
All right, so we got Brandon right here, the store manager. Obviously, we talked about this the other day. Putting together a mystery box for Johnny. We're gonna allow you to pick one sneaker. He deserves it, right? He deserves it.
Yeah, of course, man. One sneaker out the whole wall.
You hit him with the mellows? No.
He already got 2 hoop shoes. He already got 2 hoop shoes.
Oh,
man.
he got
He already got 2 hoop shoes
I'm
already.
thinking something like just crazy looking. These, man.
Oh,
These are
this is like the
different.
perfect shoe for him. I mean, he's always complaining about he can't put his foot in. He definitely put his foot in these.
You got a little extra height in there
A
too.
little huge platform right.
Chunky.
He's about to be here any second, so we're gonna present to him the box.
get
But
it.
we
Cool.
put together some crazy.
No need for tape, gift wrap, or a bow. We're good, man. Let's get it.
All right, shout out Johnny, just came through. Like
Wow.
we texted you last night. Just a big thank you to all your hard
All
work.
this?
All this, man.
I mean, when you guys said a gift, I was like, okay, yeah, maybe like a pair of shoes or something like that. But
Trust me,
You've
got
seen the
boxes.
Mystery Box video. This is the best one.
All right, man. So definitely dig in. Like I said, appreciate your hard work. You deserve it. Always helping out. And
Like
This
we
is a
said,
crazy variety, by the way, just from
Yeah.
seeing from the top view. So, it's only right. Let's start off with the 700s.
Dig in.
What colorway are these?
I was telling them.
you know,
I was telling them it's time for a new pair, brother.
Man, it's so true. I actually have been avoiding these because I was like, man, they're probably played out, they're done. But with the whole Yeezy getting dropped from Adidas for show now, these might go up. So I'm happy.
yeah.
I'm happy about
colorway
this.
too.
Man.
The best colorway.
Oh
This-
man, some of the colorways afterwards were so
Yeah.
bad. These have a special place in everybody's heart. I
They're
think.
nostalgic. You know what they
They're-
remind me of? The orange beanie.
Oh, the orange, and you going like this.
Yeah, the classic orange beanie, man. So these
Where
are.
is that orange beanie?
I had to retire it.
Yeah?
The same way Richie had to retire his
I feel it. I
There's,
feel it.
ACG hat.
there's
you
a
know?
construction man out there.
Picked it right up.
He's in Dayton, Ohio. He got that thing on right
I
now.
gave it to Charlie.
All right,
I gave it to
man.
Charlie.
You got a lot. You got a
All
lot.
right. to start?
I picked these out. I picked these out for you. I really like these. I was gonna pick up a pair myself.
Okay, okay.
So,
okay.
Got
So it's
these
Teddy Santis, man. This is a nice everyday shoe.
I
And
didn't feel like these
I'm
did.
borderline thinking about these, and thanks for the push. Now I got them. All right, man. So far, this is already a lot. So are you guys sure this whole box is mine?
All this is you, man. This is all you.
Yeah, they said it. You guys have it on camera.
This is from the key section too.
This
kind of big, 11 and a half. You squeeze in them.
This right here, it's literally my favorite Jordans of all time. All time.
Really?
Favorite Jordans of all time.
Favorite one of all time, and it has to be Nike Air.
Yeah.
It has to be Nike
88,
Air.
baby.
88,
Like
man.
this is like ultimate like grail forever and for always for me.
I
man.
thought
This
the
is-
I thought the Flint 13s were your favorite.
Stop,
With the Dallas
stop,
Cowboys jersey?
stop.
Yeah.
Dallas?
Y'all playing right now. When have I ever worn a Dallas jersey? And when have I ever worn 13? Sir?
With the
Stop,
G
boy.
shorts? With the G shorts?
Stop.
All right, what else we got? What else we got?
This one right here is a curveball. I think this one we
Based off of you liking the ones,
the shadow backwards.
the shadow backwards.
I'm not gonna lie to you, these are kind of tight.
Sleeper.
I would not
Sleepers.
expect myself to actually get them, but the color blocking and the colorway has a little bit like off-white vibe
Yeah.
to it. But
And
then
the details are kind of switched up.
yeah, and the color blocking is actually nice. Like it's actually a good color blocking, man. So these are actually probably the bigger sleepers right now
Yeah, yeah.
that you guys gave me.
All right, so we picked these right
Okay.
here. We're looking at.
I know this logo,
They're
but I've
not
never
cheap.
seen
They're
this
not cheap.
box.
$700 for these, but you're worth it. You're worth it.
Hey, worth every
Hey,
penny.
God, this is how you treat a lady.
I
Whoa,
know what shoe this is.
this is like cool grades but suede. This is like cooler grade. These are different though. I'm saying like the quality on these and just like the whole suede's like.
I want to let you know
seen
too.
this.
I want to let you know. If you don't like anything, please throw
Please.
it back into our inventory. If you don't like anything, you know.
I don't like that you call these the cooler.
These are the cooler. These are the cooler grades.
Yeah.
I'm gonna think about these a little bit, but these are the cooler grades. All right, man. This box has been catching my eye because I've never seen this like
This is personally for me to you.
personal.
Open it up, buddy.
Am I gonna cry?
Oh, you just might. You just might.
I couldn't believe when he said he was gonna give them. I was like, what about me?
No way.
You know, to have at your
Yep.
your house and everything. I know you got the dope sneaker wall right now. So this is from Tan's personal that he's had at the store, and yeah, man, I know you've been wanting a pair for like just decor reasons. I couldn't believe he gave those.
I can't do it.
What?
Just
What?
you know, this is kind of like in the family type of shoe, man. And it's like I feel like as far as like blessing the store and tribute, this guy stay in the store.
Wow,
Yeah, this is-
really?
Yeah, this deserves more shine than my room.
All
You know what I mean? Like this is like.
Tan, are these for sale? Like, I know you've had them at the store.
There's no price tag on them, but when the right, just buyer comes,
I see what you're doing.
price is right, they are for sale. But man,
I'm
I
giving
thought-
y'all a chance.
I'm surprised you're giving them back to tribute.
Really?
You know,
That's a good
it's only
call.
right.
super
It's only
excited
right.
to
It's
give
only
it to
right.
you.
No, it's only right. I appreciate it. Trust me.
I mean, you guys got a lot of heat.
Really
You got a lot of
appreciate it.
heat. Got
Yeah,
it.
but
Okay.
All right.
these
all
guys
right,
stay in the
all
family.
right.
Gotta stay in the house. God bless the new house.
Okay,
That was a curveball
I
right
know,
there.
I
That was a
know.
curveball.
I might regret it later, but.
All right, so these right here, we did the fitness video recently. We're talking about the basketball team, how you didn't have a spot on the roster.
Yeah.
You felt left out.
You
Yeah.
felt left out. We got
I am
you
left
the
out. Undrafted.
Kobe's right here, and Tan. Wait, talk to Tan.
Look here, man. We decided to open up a roster spot for you. Not even a
I've been trying to tell you guys that.
I know.
It's time.
It's time.
It's time. I've been trying to tell these boys
Boy,
time.
this boy not even surprised. He just like, I've been need a spot.
Yeah, because
Look,
on
man.
a serious note, he does bring up all the time, like, hey, man, how can I come on the team?
I got twinkle toes. They don't know I set screens.
Yeah.
I've been picking
So
and
you can do the
rolling.
new power
Not just
forward.
picking my nose, Thank you.
Oh my!
Thank you.
That
I'm ready to play.
A lot of surprises in this video. You're feeling very generous to you.
Be happy today. I like
A
it.
new power forward, baby. New
All
power
right,
forward.
Kobe's right there. Okay, I picked these out for you. I think you'll really like these.
This is crazy ass box already.
Crazy box.
So you
Yo.
actually have a second pair of hoop shoes when you want to be a little fly on the court.
Yo, these are crazy.
Yeah,
these
These
are
are crazy.
crazy.
This looks nothing like a kid collab.
Yeah.
Because it's like crazy, you know what I mean?
Usually their stuff is more minimalistic.
Yeah.
I was just talking to my friends about like big shoes being back in, like these big basketball shoes. I think they come back into play.
And
now.
also with the collaboration, I kind of wanted to be kind of like this, where it's super crazy, because
It makes you question what it is, right?
And a collab, you might not see it.
Yep.
This is
Man.
wild. These are like these are probably like second sleepers next to the fives. I'm not gonna lie.
Really?
Yeah, 'cause
so,
these are
so
crazy.
far, what is your favorites?
I'll say the threes. Hands down.
course, yeah.
Hands down
Your
the threes.
favorite?
My
Yeah,
hands
I
down the
know. We
threes.
knew
Like,
you definitely had
hands down the
those.
threes. But these are wild. Like I'm trying to figure out how the hell I'm gonna wear these.
All right, we got 3, 4 more sneakers.
Are you guys sure, man? That's a lot of shoes. I thought we
Man,
would
we
have been done
got you,
already.
man. Definitely, like I said, this is
the best mystery
You were a
box.
huge part in this whole thing opening
thank
up.
you, man.
Oh, these are the Brandons. Brandon's picked these out.
Oh, Brandon picked these out right
Shut up,
here.
be righter.
Comfortable, made for a man like you.
I don't know if you rock with these. Do you rock with these?
We felt like
Let me be honest about these, all right?
Go ahead.
I would never buy this myself,
Yeah.
but I'll definitely wear it as a gift. These are like a great everyday shoe.
One of those,
You know what I mean?
yeah.
Like little
Shoe,
gum
yeah.
bottom.
They're
It's just-
actually not that cheap too. $4.50 for these. So
Wow.
you got some
Shout out to Brandon. I would say this is a top of the.
That was a gift from Brandon. That was
Yeah.
a gift from Brandon.
chunky shoe too.
Yeah.
I like it. Yo. The box is crazy. Like
box
this
is crazy on
The
those.
box already just screams my vibe. We got the little nutrition on the side.
Social status collab.
Oh, these are crazy.
This one right here, I kind of felt like, you know, you kind of got like that flamboyant personality. So we
These
had
are
to give you the
Look,
strawberry milk dunks.
I'm gonna show you guys these shoes.
Wait, and in a good way? Do you like them or not? I don't.
These are hideous.
Oh,
Sorry.
come on.
I don't want to sound like I'm not grateful
Wait,
for it, but
I
The
almost got these
box-
for you. Hold on, let me know.
It was either this shoe or another shoe.
If I would have got
Oh
you
my
these,
God.
would you have?
why in the world would you guys think I would rock either one of
You
these?
wear hella loud stuff.
You wear loud stuff, you go to Burning Man, your nails are clean sometimes, I don't know.
I would
Keep
probably
these
go
up in
with
the
these fuchsia ones more than these
They
strawberry
are
milk joints. I don't,
really-
the box got me so excited, and then when I saw this, I was just like so shocked.
Not
to
a
look
fan
like
of
this.
strawberry milk?
I love strawberry milk, not the shoes though. I'm giving them both back. These are just thank you, but no
Alright.
thank you.
All right.
All right, so last but not least, Shawnee, this is we got a full size run here at Tribute, so we definitely had to hook you up. I feel like all the staff have these.
Hey! I was gonna say the box is starting to feel bottomless. That's how many shoes you guys have
That's the
given me.
last one,
I was
that's
like, what else is in here?
We trust me, we in the red. But you know, all for you, buddy.
I know you like bottomless fries and bottomless sneakers.
Yep. Exactly.
Even with a gift, they still clouded. Look at this, man.
Go
All
ahead,
right,
go ahead.
man.
Would you have bought these yourself?
Would I have gotten these myself? I'm not gonna lie to you. I would. But Tan has got me on the olive train, so I'm kind of waiting for the olive ones to
Ooh,
come
I like
out.
these more. I like these
With
more.
the black swoosh.
These are
Let
like
me know what you guys think.
these are almost like I would say like damn near perfect when it comes to like you know, a Jordan that's not a Jordan.
Yeah,
you know
for
what I
sure,
mean?
for sure.
So
I think as a mystery box, this is one of the best ones I've ever seen. Like
for sure.
to me.
bro,
to
for
me.
sure. This is like honestly like way more than I expected.
And it makes
Crazy,
sense, man.
bro.
It's going to the right
Like,
person.
thank you guys
It's
so
going to
much.
the right person.
Travis
Thank you,
Scott, you gave back a couple sneakers,
Yeah.
which is
Which is fine. We'll take it back.
yeah.
These
All
I
right.
can't give back. These ones I cannot give back. I'm sorry.
All right, so man, this one definitely meant a lot to us. Huge shout out to Johnny for all the help and
And
man.
not just that, the first video that we actually filmed.
Oh
in
yeah,
tribute.
the first video
So-
here at Tribute, and
only
man,
right,
definitely
man.
check out the shop. We just opened up. We'll leave links down below to the Instagram and how you can
The address, location.
everything, man.
I just want to give a big shout out to my boys, man. Like, I would say raising the bar. These guys never stop raising the bar, making sure that we always have high standards. And congratulations to you guys, man.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
man.
All right. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Leave a comment down below. What was your favorite sneaker from the entire mystery
wow.
box? And if you guys want to check out our inventory here at Tribute, make sure you guys follow the IG. Links will be down below. Any
sir.
last words?
Shoot, online store is gonna be up very soon.
Very soon.
Big
still-
Boy Burgers coming very soon as well.
Yes,
Maybe
sir.
we'll do a
Follow
little-
that IG. And until next time, we out.
Peace.